The Unity Forge, Kabir's Revolution. From the heart of the Congo, a story of community rising above conflict. Kabir, a young mechanic, lived in the sprawling heart of the Congo, where the river weaves through villages like threads of life. He lived in a patchwork world with vibrant cultures and wild wilderness, but there was always conflict between power-hungry leaders who were more concerned with their egos than the well-being of their people. Kabir's village, once in communal harmony, now mirrored the nation's discord. The elders spoke in hushed tones of better times, while the youth, caught in the crossfire, grew disillusioned. The land, rich with untapped potential, lay barren as fields went untilled amidst the chaos. Kabir knew the problem well. The leaders' egos had grown too large, putting their interests ahead of the village's. It was as if the leaders were trying to fill a bottomless pit with their pride, leaving the people with nothing but despair. But Kabir, whose hands could coax life into even the most stubborn engines, saw a spark of hope. He envisioned a gathering place, a workshop, where the village's broken spirits and tools could be repaired. He began with what he had, a small shed filled with gear and gadgets, and an open heart. Word of Kabir's workshop, which he called the Fixers Collective, spread like wildfire. It wasn't just a place to repair bicycles and generators, it was where broken ties were patched up. In Kabir's haven, there was no talk of who had more power. Instead, there was the hum of collaboration, a symphony of shared knowledge. The collective grew, and so did the villagers' spirits. Kabir taught them that the true power lay in unity, not division. "We are like this engine," he would say, pointing to a motor he'd brought back to life. "Each part is crucial. Alone, they're just pieces. Together, they create energy, movement, and progress." As the months passed, the villagers of all ages gathered in Kabir's shed, bringing with them the pieces of their lives that the conflict had scattered. Together, they built a library, a community garden, and a market where they could trade without the fear of greed. Kabir's movement, born from wrenches and oil-stained hands, did what the egos of the powerful could not, it healed. The village, once a microcosm of the nation's turmoil, became an oasis of cooperation. Leaders arrived to witness this shift. The reports of harmony and efficiency aroused their interest. The story of Kabir and his village reached far beyond the Congo's borders, touching hearts across continents. It was a tale not of might or conquest, but of a quiet revolution, a testament to the strength of humility over the loudness of ego. Kabir's legacy was simple yet profound. When people set aside their pride and work together, they can turn the wheels of change and forge a path to a better future. And as the Congo River continued to flow, so did the stories of the village that fixed itself, reminding the world of the power of unity and the quiet strength of a mechanic who dared to dream. Revelations. What is it? In regions where power and ego drive conflict, community-led initiatives can pivot the narrative, turning collective effort into a powerful tool for peace and prosperity. Why is it important? When communities unite, pooling resources and knowledge, they build resilience against the divisive forces of egotism, fostering a healthier, more cooperative society. How to get started? It starts with dialogue and shared goals. Communities can initiate joint ventures that address common needs, building trust and cooperation through action. The point: unity transforms the battleground of the ego into a crucible for communal triumph. The end.